Well, I want to thank you for tuning in and welcome to my channel, SCV Dad. I want to show you a little situation that I ran into while on vacation. My lens got messed up. For a moment, I thought I had to, buy a whole new lens and everything. But after a little bit of research and some advice from a fellow vacationer, that I ran into, he showed me a little trick that I thought I would want to share with you for any amateur photographers out there. I ran into this problem where my lens would not go any further than 35 millimeter. It would just stop there. See, as you can see, it just gets jammed, and this goes up to 270, which is a great little lens that covers every aspect, in the range there. So I was super frustrated because I didn't pack any other lens with me. As you can see, it gets stuck. So there was a little trick to this, which it came in very handy. And the way to fix that, it's very simple. First of all, you need a small little Phillips screwdriver. So I didn't have anything that was really small enough here at home, so that would fit. But I found one of these repair kits for glasses. It was like a couple $. I'm sure there's other ones out there that are much cheaper, but this is the one that I purchased with cleaner and stuff. Since I wear glasses, what the heck, spend an extra $1 or so. So what it is that you take the Phillips side of the little thingy here to fix the glasses. There's a regular flat end, and then there's the Phillips. So, right, it's two sides to it. So what we're going to do is use the Phillips side. Now the trick here is that you take your lens and you see the grip right here, right here where it says made in Japan. You carefully lift up the grip right here, and you will see, I don't know if those come out, there's a little Phillips screw in there, right? See if that come out there, right? So that seemed to have come up a little bit. So what we're going to do is screw it down. And this is perfect. I'm going to screw it all the way down, and then once you screw it all the way down, which is right there, go back 2. Alright, so check this out. So we're stuck at 35 millimeter, right? Now watch. Boom, all the way. That's freaking awesome, man. I was so scared I had to buy a new lens. And when I ran into that guy and we were talking, oh, that's a simple fix. Watch, this is how you do it. I'm like, dang, thank God, man, because you know what? I would not want to buy another lens. So, there you go. Simple fix. And I'll put the lens and a link for all the wonderful little gadgets here to be able to fix that. So I really hope that helps anybody out there, because man, I was really upset thinking that I had to buy a lens, but that little trick works. So if you ever run into that situation where your lens will not extend all the way out, look for that first before you do anything else. Where it says made in Japan, take the grip and just lift it up carefully, right? Not to stretch it out or anything. And you will see that there's a little screw there. And by screwing it all the way in and backing out maybe 2 times, 2 little, counterclockwise, that'll be the fix. I hope that works for all lenses. This is specific to the Tamron 18 by 270 millimeter. But if you have a lens that does that, just look for that first and see if that works before you go out and spend a few $100s on another lens, okay? Hope that really helps out, guys. Thank you for your time and appreciate a like, subscribe, any type of comment. Let me know. I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Thank you very much for your time.